Wait, dude.
I'm doing it.
No, not yet.
Dude.
Wait on my mark. Wait on my
God
mark.
damn, I don't want him coming out and see the fire.
Dude, wait, get it to him. Just wait.
Oh my god, Tony. Stop.
Anthony, come on. I just want to get this over with and record it.
Seriously.
Alright, I'm doing it. Shit, you better run. Oh, I don't want to look.
1,
2, 3.
3.
Not yet.
What the hell?
Don't go near it. It's gonna explode.
Where did you put it?
I put it under there.
Uh-oh.
What?
Nothing. Fuck, I'm not going back.
Come on.
How cool is the can?
Yeah, no. Halfway.
Anthony, hold on.
Halfway can be
You're supposed to put the can on the top.
I didn't want to.
No wonder it's not blowing up.
It's getting hotter in there.
In the bottom, it's not getting hot at all.
Hold on, what?
Rising, bitch.
You sure you want to go back to that fire, though? Whoa.
I don't know that.
I don't know about that. Anthony, I'm not going back to that shit. No, Anthony, don't go near it. Anthony, don't.
Stop. The wind's blowing.
It'll heat it up. Anthony, it's getting hotter in there. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.